Today, the internet is a definitive world north of, a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, in the event that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly experts in gaming, have gone through a change in outlook. On account of the coming of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain, Chilliz exceptional stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits, mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the experts and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chilliz cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the novel elements of Chilliz. Chilliz. The exclusive characteristics. Throughout the long term, researchers and mathematicians cast their spells of blockchain on different industry fragments. In any case, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that main Chilliz has been the sole bold organization to have exchanged the games world. Not just has the Chilliz network connected the blockchain basics to the gaming scene, however it likewise has guaranteed that overall financial backers are safeguarded for their interests in experts via its token, CHZ. Of course, this goes close by their investment from any niche and corner of the world. This interesting component has additionally improved the decentralization highlights presented by the Chilliz blockchain. One more overseeing factor in Chilliz coin network is the PO highlight, i.e., power of authority. This agreement is represented by the Byzantine fault tolerance calculation, which makes it a safe organization totally. Dissimilar to the proof of stake and proof of work component that has just validators to depend upon with more power utilization for computational purposes. As an open-source public cryptographic money, Chilliz is a computerized guide made with the essential target of blockchain established information capacity and recovery, with a unique spotlight on experts and gaming sections. CHZ token organization has uncommonly made its digital currency CHZ for dealers and financial backers and foundations, permitting them to exchange on various trades and advantage them from the cost accelerations. Chilliz adapts client data, and the remarkable trait of Chilliz is that it is completely decontrolled without any guidelines in the scenery. Vantage Chilliz. What is in it for me? As a gaming fan, the main inquiry that arises: this is the way to have a special interest in your number one group and how to remain profoundly intuitive in the realm of gaming and experts by remaining associated with your group. This is a nodal factor that lists the particulars of information transmission. The organization of Chilliz has made up for this reason. CHZ, the local symbolic that takes special care of the stockpiling of CHZ tokens and guarantees their protected recuperation. The equivalent is valid with CHZ's speed of execution. Since the whole biological system of Chilliz spins around the decentralized convention, the whole cycle works quickly in a GOT climate. Chilliz. The technical analysis. Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in no less than 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with fresh insight about achieving the degree of $0.0150, contrasted with its adversaries like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most elevated heightening in cost as $0.009 for a solitary Chilliz. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of pandemic effect. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost spike that happened last year is associated to the declaration made by the Chilliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chilliz cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. Nonetheless, the presentation of Chilliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ United States dollar on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of March, the cost of Chilliz reflected enormous development, and it denoted another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted slight revision, however later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost checked gigantic meeting and contacted $0.758, however later, it revised down to 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chilliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark, however later, it confronted sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it checked critical recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting $0.5, according to negative signs, Chilliz has checked consistent negative pattern, and presently, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ figure referenced on the site content depends on our expectation of least cost, obstruction level, greatest cost, and different markers. We demand you really do claim research recommending projected greatest cost, estimated value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chilliz gauge. Chilliz cost expectation. Follow master's advice on Chilliz CHZ forecast. Specialists say on Chilliz CHZ, coin cost expectation uncovers the Chilliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful conjecture predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year, and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chilliz coin cost expectation specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chilliz, as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year. Constantly, and the normal most extreme cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. In January 2022 the cost began with 27 cents, according to Chilliz Cost Forecast 2022. Chilliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern, posing a potential threat in the impending not many years between 34 cents $0.5. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022, according to our Chilliz cost expectation specialists. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for Chilliz CHZ, considering all elements, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term's time. As per Chilliz cost expectation specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chilliz could exchange around the greatest cost of 23 cents. Market Chilliz expectations anticipate the base cost to be as low